Meets or exceeds all original equipment specifications. Application-specific design to ensure a perfect fit. Validated for fit, form, and function. Engineered for the sealing repair environment. Unsurpassed quality you can trust. FelPro Performance Gaskets deliver reliable sealing under grueling racing conditions. Top reviews from the United States. Good price for a great gasket. I've used these gaskets for years but always had to go through a hassle to get them from the local parts store. Amazon allows me to get them for the same price, or cheaper, and I get them in 2 days via my Prime membership. Saves me hassle and money. For what it's worth, I've always installed these dry, no RTV, etc. with them, and as a result, I've always been able to get 2 to 3 used out of them before I replace them. They are good metal core graphic gaskets and have large ports to work with many aftermarket Ford heads. I've used them on Edelbrock RPMs, Trick Flow Twisted Wedge and currently on AFR 185 CCS. I won't use any other gasket.